50% fewer unplanned workshop visits due to early detection. The main advantage of Mercedes-Benz Uptime is that we can really fulfill our motto, only rolling trucks earn money. I think it was just 2 or 3 weeks ago with the truck here in Hamm. It was parked at a client for loading when the error message "exhaust after treatment is disturbed" appeared. That meant for us no more loading. We need to go to the workshop as soon as possible. It took around 4 to 5 hours to get the truck ready to go again, and it went directly back to the loading station. 50% fewer unplanned workshop visits. 100% real-time support. More than 1,200 rules to detect critical conditions. 50% of our customers buy it. Mercedes-Benz Uptime is your digital shield for every Mercedes-Benz truck. Everyone talks, one delivers. Mercedes-Benz. Trucks you can trust.